Hey guys, and welcome back to the vlog. First and foremost, happy Thanksgiving. All that passed. We got the Christmas tree up, and I'm going to try to do this vlogmas. It's gonna be hard because I am working non-stop. Ooh, so I will try my very best. Look at all the sunlight. God. So, just showing why you got your pillow and stuff right there. So here you go. Like I said, I can't guarantee you guys that I'll be, I'll try to put in as much as I can. But welcome, welcome, welcome. And we'll try to do as much as we can. That's all I can do. But got the Christmas tree up, got that going on. Got a little help from my grandbabies. Helped me put that up, which was awesome. So, got some decorated, of course, like we usually do. The Christmas decorations. Let's see some of the Christmas decorations. Oh yeah, the poinsettias, Christmas decorations. And another poinsettias. So, like I said, I can't promise you guys. So let me just show you some more Christmas decorations here and over here. So kind of darken. Yeah, with the reindeers under there, so you guys get to see. It is so sunny. Oh my God. Yes. So, not too long, woke up, did remote. I had the little one there back to school, came back to school on Monday. So I'm about to run out to the store. But I'm going to try to, guarantee on this thing, but I'll try to do what I can and go from there. So, anyway, see you guys in the next one. Hey guys, and welcome to day 2 of Vlogmas. It is actually 6:50 in the morning. I just got home from work. Look, my bed, a mess. For the past 2 weeks, it's been crazy. Just working a lot of overtime. My shoulders hurt because I'm not even sleeping. My arms and stuff like that. So it's yeah, I'm in like a lot, and then plus I'm using this hand constantly for doing a lot at work and stuff. So here go, my shoulders is killing me. But like I said, it is day 2 of Vlogmas. I don't know how I'm going to do this, 'cause like I said, I am finally getting a day off. Like 2 days in a row, not just one day where I just try to do everything in one day, but and then the next day I'm back at work. No, I'm getting 2 days off, so today and tomorrow. So yes, so what I'm going to try to do, put together as much video as I can just to make up for the, this is December 3rd, so we're gonna go with that. I know yesterday's own was kind of simple, so I'm gonna try to put in as much as I can for today. But I'm getting ready to go to the doctor and drop this sample off. I have to draw some blood, so I'm not gonna be able to take you guys with me to do that. But later today I gotta go pick up a new wig. It was ready like a few days ago. It was ready since last week, but no, let me take that back. It was done last week, but it wasn't done to the way how I wanted it done. So she's gonna do it completely over. So now here go, it is ready, and it's been ready now since maybe 4 or 5 days. So I'm now getting a chance to actually, today my appointment's at 3:45, so I'm gonna take you guys with me for doing that. Then I have a feet appointment at 5 o'clock. I have not had a pedicure in forever. So other than that. So stay tuned, and I'll try to keep up, you know, keep with this day going with you guys. So like I said, Vlogmas. What am I looking for? I don't even know. Oh, Lordy, I am tired. Hey guys, and welcome back. Just got to Target. Well, I won't say just got to Target. I am now leaving Target. We're just going to pick up an item. Not even, it didn't even last 5 minutes, 2 minutes. That's how fast that was. So it made no sense for me to even go in there, take you guys in there, because it made no sense. So now I'm on my way to my hair appointment. So I'll take you guys in there. So I'll see you back in a bit. Okay? I am here to pick up my wig. She just walked in. This place is really, really pretty. Look. They have like different booths inside, like different areas in here with multiple different business in this location, and it's really, really nice. Everybody got their own little spot. Whether it's doing hair, whether it's doing nails, whether it's doing anything. It's just a whole setup with different little spots and stuff like that. But let me go back there. That's what I was here. Stephanie.
Hey,
You ain't see me in the car?
No, I ain't see you.
I was sitting right there. You passed right by me.
You gotta let me know. I'm glad you.
I'm vlogging.
You know what?
Vlogging. YouTube.
Oh, you are. Hey y'all.
Oh, they can't see you. It's on the opposite way. And I don't want to put you on here.
Oh, okay. You got to tell me when you got to do it.
Look at this. Look at this.
And my son wants you today, want me to ask you so bad. How you started your channel?
Look at my baby. Look at my baby.
That's your baby. That's your baby.
I'll come back to you guys in a minute. Hey guys, I done got my new baby girl, and I am loving my new piece. Ooh. The other one I had on only had the color on this side, and of course it was a little bit more blonde, but this time I told her I just wanted an auburn color, and I wanted it on both sides. So yes, I am loving this new wig. Oh yeah, and the hair, oh my god, she's the bomb. She is the bomb. She hooks me up. Let me call my daughter. I got 20 minutes now to get to the other side of town for my feet appointment at 5 o'clock, and it is 4:40. So, and traffic is bad around this time coming out of the city. I'm loving this wig. Oh, yes. My lips are dry. She ain't answer the phone, so I am loving. I know she's gonna like it. Cause she was with me, and what happened? She actually did the whole entire wig over. because she said what she was doing was trying a different style of sewing. And you know, the way how it looked, it kind of was bulking up on her. So she said that, you know, she shouldn't have never did that, you know what I'm saying, to a client's wig, which is okay. Me and her are real cool, you know what I'm saying. She's always professional, she's good, you know, and stuff like that. And she went ahead and she you know, just decided to just do the whole thing completely over, you know. You know, just you know, just stylists just trying, oh my god, this traffic. The stylists just trying to, you know what I'm saying, do things different. I can understand them trying to change their technique of, you know, doing things and the way how they, you know, make their wigs, you know, weaves, whatever the case may be. So she said she's not going to do that again, and if she do it, she's just going to be doing on just her sample pieces. But other than that, I'm going to link her information down at the bottom. She is here local, but she also ships. You know, she does all kind of, she is very professional. She deals with a lot of clients that have alopecia, and she's very good with that. Here go my son home. Hello?
I thought you were home. Where are you?
I told you I was running errands and stuff. I had to go pick up my hair, and now I'm on my way, leaving from in town and coming back to the house area to get my feet done.
Oh, so you're in Abercorn.
Well, no, I'm not on Abercorn. I'm on White Bluff now, trying to get to 516 on the highway.
The 516 on the highway?
Yeah, trying to get to the highway, yeah. Why I came this way.
Ain't running at on the wall.
Huh?
Look. Oh, you missed it.
Oh, okay.
The wall.
But anyway, let me go, Deshaun. I'm gonna, yeah, I'll see you when I get home in a little bit, because like I said, I'm going to get my feet done.
Okay.
All right.
Bye.
Bye. But anyways, I'll see you guys back in a bit. This traffic is real hectic out here, so I'll catch you guys in a little bit. Made it to get my feet done. I made it like a few minutes after, but was able to get it in. So I'm here to get my feet done now. Just got my eyebrows done. Like I said, these stuff was long overdue, but I'm getting it in now. So yeah, and yeah, I'm getting my feet done now as we speak. The vlog out here, because when I go home I got some stuff to take care of, homework and all that good stuff. So I'll catch you guys on the next one. So this is Vlogmas, and I'm out.